Yes, sir.
Okay. The task that we are going to do now is called progressive group. In this task, you will be tackling a series of 4 obstacles. Starting with the simple one, and as you go ahead, you will find that these obstacles are not so simple. Therein lies the progressivity in that. Gentlemen, we cannot take you to natural obstacles like rivers, nalas, broken ground, etc. So we have a simple method of drawing 2 white lines on the ground and declare the ground between these 2 lines as out of bounds. Thereby it becomes an obstacle. Your job is only to go from start line to finish line of each obstacle without touching the ground. You cannot touch the ground, that's it. Basically you have to make, to help you to bridge these obstacles, we have placed certain structures in the outer bound area which you can touch and use, and we also provided you this helping material, this bully plank and rope, with the help of which you will be able to go from start without touching the ground. Basically you have to make bridges using brains, not brawn. When a word brawn means brute, physical strength and stamina. That you don't have to use. Some amount of effort is needed, but don't actually, some plank is not coming, I'll hold it in my arm, or bully is not coming, I'll extend my foot. Don't do that. Some amount of effort is needed, throwing the rope, placing the bully, maybe it will come your stand, but no brute physical strength and stamina. Now, in this task, you have to follow few rules. There were 2 buckets also. You will not get the bucket. 49, go running. Just get 2 buckets from there too. Now you have to follow few rules. The first rule is the group rule, which means all of you, your helping material and the load should have crossed any one obstacle before you move on to the next obstacle. I would go to the extent of saying that you will not even look at the next obstacle. Don't think you have to reach the finish line, you turn around and look it. Don't do that. Wait for everyone to come. Help from finish line. Okay? Now what you told the significance of this the load, in SSB they will give a small load, okay, which army will call it's a ammunition box, and Air Force they will say it's a delicate material. Please don't get scared. That is also part of the group. There is no ammunition there. Basically they want, so don't start getting scared. Basically they want you to handle with care so that do not throw it around and they have to change every week. Okay? Now were you told the significance of this load, why this, here we have got this bucket, why this load is given, why will they give something which is of no use, which is not, which is just to be carried? Why will they give that, tell me? Were you told what is the significance? Survival, there is nothing. What will survive if you can't use it as a helping material? What survive? You can't, why will they give it? Okay, I'll tell you why it is. It is given for lesser mortals. The candidates who can't do anything, they will just carry this load around. Because at the end of the day, SSB wants everyone to feel happy. A candidate whose mind is not working, who is not coming forward, not able to any, he or she will just pick up the load. They think they are doing something for the group. I have seen such candidates who can't do anything, they can't make bridges, they can't apply their mind, they will hold on to the load. And they will not leave it even in the inbound area. We have to tell them, Chester, sir, why don't you put it down? Okay? But please remember, none of you is born to be a coolie or load carrier. You are born to do bigger things. So don't just carry the load around in SSB. Having said that, you know, when now I told you somebody is passing on the load, don't say, no, don't give it to me. Don't do that also. Take it and pass it. The next rule is the color rule, which you have been told all those first time. As you can see, some structures here, some are colored white, some blue and some red. Army uses blue color, Air Force uses yellow. Anything which is colored white is inbound for all the group members. Anything which is colored white can be touched by you, your helping material and the load. Anything which is colored red is out of bounds for all the group members. Anything which is colored red can neither be touched by you, your helping material or them. And anything which is colored blue in the army and yellow in the Air Force can be touched by the living members but is out of bounds for non-living. Meaning anything which is colored blue here can be touched by anyone of you, but your helping material and the load cannot. Next rule is the distance rule. This states that any distance of 4 feet or more, vertically, horizontally or diagonally cannot be jumped and must be bridged. Now please remember, there they will not give you a measuring tape. So don't start measuring 3 feet, 11 inches, 4 feet, 1 inch. Whatever it appears to the group, take it as 4 feet or less. Suppose this distance here, somebody says less than 4 feet or somebody says more than 4 feet. So whatever the group decides or whatever GTO lets you have it, take either 4 feet or 4. Next rule is the rule of rigidity. This states that any two rigid helping materials cannot be tied with the rope to increase the length. Meaning you cannot tie this bully and plank with the rope to increase the length. However, you can place them on top of each other. You can also tie up with the structure given in the outer bound area, but you cannot tie them together. And lastly, the rule of infinity. This states the start line and finish line are two parallel lines and extend up to an infinite distance. Because they seem to be ending here, but you have to say imaginary, meaning you cannot cross them from the clear?
Yes, sir.
Please be mindful of rules at SSB, because armed forces are organization very high level of discipline, so you should appear, you respect rules, you are a law avoiding. But don't get obsessed, because some candidate would have been told like this, they start doing this only. Hey, you touch red, come back, give bully a sign. Don't do that. You don't have to don the role of a traffic cop or a constable. Just be mindful of it, because your goal is to reach the finish line. Just be mindful of it. Now whenever there are rules for a game or a task, what happens? If a rule is violated, there has to be some penalty. So here also we have a penalty. SSB will have a penalty. Whichever member of the group breaks the rule will come back to the previous point or position he or it was before the rule was violated. Suppose you are trying to go from here to there. You touch the ground. That member only will be required to come back and not all the way to the start line. Similarly, suppose you are trying to place plank or bully from here to there. Bully or plank touches the ground. Only that bully or plank will be required to go back. Not or everybody. Okay? Now, you get a total 40 minutes for doing the task. These 4 obstacles. The time will be short, so there you have to work fast. There will be urgency but no panic. You can't take your own sweet time. Okay? And as I told you, your mind, body, heart, soul, everything should be working. You should be animated. Moment you are, remind yourself, moment you are getting the role of an audience on an onlooker. Remind yourself, no boy, I have to move forward. Clear?
Yes,
Any
sir.
question?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, let's have a good one. For this group, here is the task for this is the start line. That is the finish line. You have to go from start line to finish line without touching the ground. This bully, plank and rope is your task, understood? And here nothing is blue, this is wrong. Here everything is white. Okay? On these structures everything is white. Start your 40 minutes. चलो ओके वेल डन गुड शो पुट एवरीथिंग बिहाइंड यू हैव डन योर टास्क बिहाइंड यू हाँ यहाँ रख दो पुट द लोड एवरीथिंग stand here in one line so this is how it goes but honestly not many of you are performing to the expected level now one good thing I can tell all of you that you are interested in the task all of you are interested that was there your concern for the task was there but hardly anyone could contribute and participate to that an extent okay so now I'll give you the individual feedback first let's begin from the repeater you guys were here you also stuck on start line but on the start line your mind apply your mind you are interested but you have to apply your mind also to make those bridges okay so you have one more week next time lead from the front everybody show more intensity don't be just stuck on the start line listen you have to push yourself I told you half-hearted measures do not work in SSB you have to give it all only then you will look pretty and impressive 21 you are all right I think you are interested and you are trying to lead from the front okay so continue like this only but you can increase the intensity see today kind of advantage others were not coming for you have a natural desire to help the group but now add it with the application of mind more otherwise you are looking good this is what you were animated you are helping the group okay so continue like this build upon that 25, you also, I have written off and on. Here and there you look good, you looked alright. But then you are not able to sustain. Okay, here and there initially you looked some interested and then you fell back. Okay, apply your mind. Be there where the action is. You should be seen to be holding. So you are off and on. That off and on will not work. Sustain. 21. You were green. I thought, oh my God, he is the only green who has experience. You will be able to lead the group. But it did not happen that way. Yes, you are interested and all, but your mind has to work much more. I know. You had seen it all last week. You have done it. You know everything. But your contribution was help, help, help. Yes, you are interested. Now apply your mind. By now, and you know all these similar solution last week. Why? There's nothing new. Same cantilever, fulcrum, runway, rope loop. Okay, find that. Apply your mind, and now you should be help the group. You should have done that, but it did not happen. 32. You also here and there you help, but generally start line, start line. Your mind also has to work. You are almost switching off, allowing others to take it. Okay, so you have to increase the, basically all of you, morning thing I told you, that is affecting. The energy is missing, that intent is missing, the intensity is not there. Fill yourself with that. Okay. So remember, the secret here is in 14 days, every time you get a feedback, you have to make amends very quickly. Learn from that and start improving. Only then you will be top up in 14 days. Some of you have wasted actually, not really. Now is the time. Tomorrow you come here, all guns blazing. Okay?
Yes, sir.